first of all want to tell the audience that you've been doing a great job. And I really appreciate your perseverance because you've been, perseverant enough to, be after me to come on this show and share my insights on this, show of yours with your audience. So a big
Yeah,
round
yeah,
of applause for you that you are intending so much good for your audience.
yeah,
And
yeah.
now, to start about my journey, talk about my journey, I started back, in 2012 when I started with my SME business, wherein I was helping the SMEs with the importance, educating them about the importance of online. So these days, everybody knows, what online means. But back then,
Yeah.
the small and medium enterprises that did not even understand the importance of having website. Why have a website? That was the condition back in 2012. So that was the thing that I was doing. And then, I ventured out into Mind Art, which is our education venture. And we are helping schools basically to go online. Now, the journey of an entrepreneur, like you said, for 8 to 10 years, I've been doing this, has no less than been a roller coaster ride. And of course, when we started Mindar with a team of four co-founders, and we started from a storeroom of our Havra factory with a second-hand AC, and just four of us, the four co-founders, and we would do everything on our own. Be it making the sales calls, creating the product, creating the content, making learning videos, or even to the extent of going and collecting the cash on deliveries. We have done it all
Yes.
by ourselves. But now, by God's grace, we have our offices pan India, right from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Guwahati, all over, and we have a big team, to support us. So, journey has been full of ups and downs. There have been times wherein you were all alone, and the whole world was standing against you, and you had to stand by your own self. Ki nahi, ho jayega. That way.
Yes.
So that is all. That is all I think I have to say.
Okay, I understand the pain of an entrepreneur because I was working for the last 2 years for this knowledge buddy and worked each and every department I have worked for. And right now I have a team, but earlier I have to start and for different departments I have to go to the marketing also. I have to go for the
Correct.
photographing, editing, the events we are organizing that also we have to arrange. So I can
Yes.
understand the life of an entrepreneur. It's, after 2 years, right now we are having a good team and we are doing good in the market. But for the starting, the people are just saying that knowledge body to naam hi acha nahi hai, it will not work. But today we are having almost 20 speakers in almost 2 months only. It's a record in
That is
India right
so
now.
great.
No,
That is so
no,
great.
no,
And eventually, like
no.
you were saying, we also, till the time, we did not have funds. Everything was to be done by ourselves. Then we raised a couple of rounds of funding. Times of India came as one of the investors. Then we scaled up. But when
Yeah,
you've
yeah.
done the real groundwork, you really know how to get the work done from others also. So you learn a lot.
Yeah, yeah. There are different talk shows also going right now currently in India, but our is in doubled. We have completed 21st. This is the 21st episode, and all
Right.
the talk show are on the 10th episode only. In 2 months only, we have
Great.
covered 20
That
speakers.
is
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah,
Congratulations.
yeah, yeah. And in upcoming time this week only, we will complete our 25th episode also. And some of the speakers are also watching right now. The upcoming speakers they are live now, so they
Oh,
will
that's
be
great.
joining us soon. Yeah, yeah. And they can also ask the question. I see Ghazal Gupta ma'am right now. She is online, and she can ask the question also because she is also from the education background also. So if
Absolutely.
any queries will be there, so Swati ma'am will be answering the questions. So
Yep.
let's start the today's series. We will start with the first question. First of all, we will like to start with the national education policy that is currently organized in India. So
Yeah.
what are the views about the current policy, ma'am, and how it can be implemented according to you in coming time?
Yes. So see, it's a very huge topic in itself, but to cover it briefly and in precise.
Yes.
So first of all, I would want to say that this policy, the reform was long awaited. The last change that was made was in 1986, and then a minor change in, I guess, 1992. So the
Yeah, yeah.
change and the reform was long awaited. We all knew that, our education system is getting obsolete and we need to renew it. So I would appreciate it first that at least some reform, some initiative have been taken. कुछ नहीं करने से कुछ किया. Now
Yeah,
coming
yeah.
to, वो कुछ किया. How good is that? Now, being an entrepreneur, again, planning is one thing. I always believe that the juice lies in the execution and the implementation. However good and fancy and beautiful the plan may look, but if it is not being able to implement on the real ground the way it was thought to be, then the complete plan fails. The whole essence of it
Yes.
gets defeated. So kuch highlights that I personally liked a lot, like the policy has been, I would talk more about the schooling segment, since we are dealing into that. I would not
Yeah.
touch upon the higher education.
Yeah.
So in terms of school, a lot of focus has been put on the primary education, the foundation. There have been some major changes made there. Now, be it, introducing coding. I mean, this was really, something fascinating for me, introducing coding at, such a primary level in the younger classes. It's a very good
Yes.
step, I would say. But again, if we are, teaching coding only through books, in theory, it will not work. There have to be proper, systems where the students can actually practice it, and there have to be proper teachers who will be able to teach it. And if it is done, it's a great step, because coding, is something that our students must know. The world is going towards the same. And secondly, what I liked was the multidisciplinary flexibility that is being given. So, by a simple example, supposedly I love chemistry and I also love cooking. And if you see in real life, cooking has a lot to do with the basics of chemistry. Even when we
Yeah.
cook, I always think from that perspective. Okay, if you put salt, do this way, this is what's going to happen. So baking, cooking has a lot to do with chemistry. If someone can pursue both the things, the impact of it would be like something like creating a synergy between the two streams. And the world ahead is going to be the world of multitaskers. Being an entrepreneur, when we hire people, we also want that a person should be multitasking. And because the roles are continuously changing in the ever changing scenario of business. So if with this flexibility, the kind of flexibility, I think the students would be more multitasking. They would not have a hard line between these streams, and they can still pursue a mixed stream. And then one thing which I am not really very convinced about is the compulsion that all the students, the primary students, will be delivered lectures in their mother tongue.
Mother tongue.
So, however, maybe when it gets implemented, let's see how it comes out. But then a major concern to me is when we talk of having the global collaborations, bringing the foreign companies to the country, the students, they need to know English, right? And
Yes.
what may happen? This is my fear. What may happen is that the rich people who have a lot of money may still make their children learn English by having
English.
tutors and coaching, while the poor, not so privileged ones, they may, however hard they may want that their students, the children should learn English, may not be learning English in the school. So, as per me, like in my view, this is totally my view. In my
Yes.
view, it should not be a mandate. It should be optional. If a student prefers to study in the mother tongue language, fair enough. If the student wants to learn in English, then it should be allowed. So,
Yeah.
primarily, these are a few things that I feel about it.
Yeah, they make the compulsion for eighth class only. After eighth class, they can study in their own
That is
language they
the
want. But
foundation, Saurabh.
अगर आप सब चाहते हैं कि आपका नॉलेज इसी तरह से बढ़ते रहे तो आप हमारे चैनल नॉलेज बड्डी को तुरंत सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन बेल दबाना ना भूलें ताकि सारे अपडेट्स आपको टाइम पे मिल सकें।